Hello all, I hope you all are safe inside your home. A while ago, I just got two comments from my viewers. They want something like an inverter light, or you can say a auto turn on light when there is a power outage. With that being said, let's roll to our intro. Firstly, let's see what all things we gonna require. Since we want a auto turn on light, so we will be needing a switch which will turn on itself when there is no voltage, or we can say when it will be connected to a ground. So here is a BD140 electronic switch. Then there comes some resistance and a diode. It's a 220 ohm resistance and 1N407 diode. Double pole and double throw switch. Then there is a charger. You will need this type of cell phone charger. Then our TP4056 and the battery and some LEDs. Let's see the circuit diagram for it, and as always you can find that in the description below. Here is a circuit diagram. How it will work I will tell you now. The main thing is our transistor, which is a BD140 transistor. Everything will be controlled by this only. So how it is working? This transistor is a PNP transistor. That means if we provide a negative voltage, or if we connect the base of the transistor to a ground, it will connect its two terminals, that is emitter and collector, together. And if it will be connected to a positive supply or the plus of the battery, then these two terminals will be disconnected. So same thing is happening here also. When there is a 5 volts power supply coming from the outlet, then the transistor turns off itself, and by which disconnecting it from the battery, which is over here. And from there we have taken the one wire to our switch, and which is going through two diodes and then to LED. And now when there is no voltage, then the base of the transistor will be connected to ground through a 220 ohm resistance, and hence the two terminals are close together. By closing these two terminals, the battery power supply will go through this path and will glow our LED. I have implemented it on my circuit. I will show you now. I have completed the soldering work, and you can see I have used everything and it's working. And right now it's on battery backup, and now I will plug it using this to the R220 volts and show you that. I have plugged the wires into my AC mains. Now, and there is a warning, please do not touch these two lines, as these are the mains power. And now when I turn the switch to the other side, as you can see it is shining bright. And now I am turning off, and you can see there is a little of dimming of the light, and it means that it is working on the backup. And now when I turn it on again from the power supply, it's shining bright. And now guys, for charging it, you just need to put the switch to the other side, and you can see there is a red light over here. I have replaced the diodes from the board to these normal ones. This is just a prototype. I will be confining all these things inside this case, and we'll show you the final product after this. After putting all the circuit boards and placing LEDs, the final product look like this. I mean, after covering it, it will look more good. I've also increased the number of LEDs. As you can see over here, there are 5 more LEDs I added. And as you can see, I have placed my charger over here, and there in the middle there is the battery, and my main circuit which is controlling all this is here. Place the LEDs over the sides, the 3 LEDs, one from the charger and other 2 are from the TP56. And also I have placed a resistance over here. As you can see, it's 22 ohm resistance, but after connecting it in parallel it becomes 11 ohm. And I've also used some cardboards. As you can see, this is placed over here and there is a cardboard over here. This is to prevent any sort of heat transfer, or you can say it's like a thermal insulator. Now we'll put the front cover on it and we'll show you the working. And so the front cover is on, and now when I turn it to this side, the LED glows, as you can see, and it's good enough. The battery is still not fully charged, so it's appearing a bit low. And now here is my plug, the plug for the AC mains, and I have plugged it in, and you can see when I turn the on, the charging LED which is over here starts to glow, as you can see. And when I turn it to the other side, the charging LED is off, and now it's working on the AC mains. When I turn the off AC mains, as you can see, I have removed the plug. And it is still working. And also you can implement this circuit in any of LEDs you will find. You just need some battery, transistor and some basic components like diodes and resistances. This video came to an end. I hope you enjoyed watching it and learned something from it. If that's the case, then do subscribe my channel and like and support me. Thank you guys.